Hi guys, I'm here with some eyebrow hits and misses for you. I love eyebrow products, but I'm very particular. So I am here with my hits and misses. So we're going to start with the misses. Very first one I'm going to start with is that Maybelline tattoo thingy. I think I threw it out after my review. I'll put a link here if you want to check out that review. For me, it just was a no-go. Way too creamy, way too thick. Lasted all day. It was awesome, but the color match sucked. I couldn't find one that was like good for me, so that's a fail for me. The next one is this elf eyebrow gel. I love brow gels. This color is a no for me. A no. It is in the shade brunette, which I believe is the darkest one they have. No, this is way too obvious. Plus it's way too wet, and the wand is just way too big. Like, I felt like I kept getting it on my skin. Just was an absolute no for me. The next two items, I bought it like as a part of a kit from Target, and I should have known because it was on clearance, but I wanted to like give it a try. So the first one is this what's the brand? Arches and Brows? No, Arches and Halos is the brand. It was sold at Target. I don't know if it's still there anymore because I got it on clearance, but what the heck? Okay, so the first one is like this pencil and brush. This pencil is way too big. Like, way too big. And then it's crumbly. Another problem, like how the heck are you going to draw when like little pieces of it are just falling everywhere. Just it's a problem. The color match was really good though, really good. It's just way too thick. I like that it's angled, but it was just crumbling, so no. And then the next one by Arches and Halos, sorry, I'm like so lost on this brand, is this brow gel, which I was so excited about it. Like, look at this wand. It's super thin. It's a clear gel. It's going to keep your brows in place. One, it's crunchy, which I can deal with because I don't really touch my brows like too much throughout the day. But the problem was about an hour later, they were white. Like, you know when you put hair gel on and you have like the white flakes? That was happening on my eyebrows. I had white eyebrows. That's a problem, a real problem. So yeah, these three, major hell no's. Okay, just no's. Don't do it to yourself. Just don't. Okay, so we're going to move on to the yeses, like the hell yeses. So this Morphe eyebrow pencil, I have the color Chocolate Mousse, has a spoolie on one side. This is what the color looks like, and the tip looks like. Very fine tip, perfect color match, great for like really fine hairs, like you can make the little strokes. Great for filling in quickly. It's very smooth, but not too wet, sets really fast. I love it. Love it. Like, it's really good for days that I want to use a pencil. It's fantastic. And then I have this little kit by Revolution. It is called their Brow Sculpt Kit. Everything just fell. So it's got a highlighting powder, which I've never used. And then it's got the eyeshadow and then like the wax, the pomade. So I mixed the wax with the powder. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. A great color match. Super natural. It's like when I want to wear like really fluffy brows, or like if I want to get really dramatic, I can do that too. I love this. This was like $6. Very similar to the Wet n Wild brow kit. I no longer have that, but I love it. I love it. I've been using that for years. I just couldn't find it, so I got this one. And then my all-time favorite. I know it's definitely pricey, but hear me out. It's totally worth it. It's the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I always get the color 5, which is like their brownish black color, I think it is. I think it's brownish black. I'm not sure. Either way, it's my favorite. I usually get the small one because the large one I feel like dries out kind of quickly, so I get the small one and it's like $12. It's amazing. It has like a little bit of fibers inside of it, so it makes your makes your brows look fuller without being super dramatic. It's really good for natural days. Keeps the hair in place. The brush itself is super small, so you can really get in there and get those little spots without getting it all over your skin. There is no flakiness. It does hold the hair in place without getting crunchy or flaky. So yeah, those are my eyebrow hits and misses. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching, guys.